you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
You got them on the one amp right now. You going? Oh yeah, with the new one. I gotta get another format first. Oh yeah. If it has a plan now. Here. I don't know, man. Every time I hear this motor running, I gotta. You gotta stop over. I gotta stop over. And you drove it up here. Oh yeah. Yeah. You know I drive this thing everywhere. Yeah, I know it. I thought you were gonna tell me something different that time. I traded it. No, ain't no trade. You know, your own motor work. And you swapped out from the U series, right? SS. Oh yeah, you went up. Yeah, these are rated for 3,500 a piece. Oh yeah, you can go all the way then.
I'll set up the I'll set up the get your fucking face weight up, player. This is Category 5 Radio. I got
TikTok, social media, where you know.
TikTok's greenc_11.
Y'all know I'm gonna tag me in the video, man. It's good seeing you, bro.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.